Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend we are going to talk about how can we off reading mode setting in our Poco phone. Guys, you want to off your reading mode setting in your Poco phone. So then how can you off? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video then first of all go and subscribe the channel. Click the bell icon, like my video. First of all guys we will on our phone setting. After on phone setting guys, what will you have to do guys? Scroll it friends, you can see this tab setting friends. Click on you guys your phone display setting guys. Then guys you can see guys your reading mode setting guys. The second option tap here. Friends you can see reading mode is on here. This setting is you want to off reading mode setting guys. You can off this. Click on this blue icon guys. Tap here. Guys reading mode will off. So as you can see screen color is normal. So like that guys you can off your reading mode. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video guys. We will meet on next video with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye friends.